What's up, guys? And today we'll be showing a fidget spinners with these two guys. Well, my sister's gonna take a while. 3 hours later. Okay, she shows up. And today we'll be showing our cool fidget spinners. But before, I'm gonna comment down below which fidget spinner is your favorite fidget spinner, and I want you to go subscribe down there right now, or whatever way it is. Yeah, down there. And down there, yeah. And I'll give you about 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you subscribe, great job. Others who have not, do it right now. And today, we're going to be letting my brother, Andrew, show his fidget spinner first.
No, lady
His,
first.
I think his is the best. Ow. You
okay.
Nah, you saying lady first. No. Lady first the last time. Go. No, I'm not going.
Now.
You want to go? You want to
No.
go?
No. Okay, I want to do it.
Okay, he's going to do it. He is.
Got a Spider-Man one.
Can y'all see that? Little Spider-Man little fidget spinner. It's like a shield. It goes really fast. It goes for about 3 to 5 minutes.
You go.
Or whatever it's called. Like, it goes
Okay.
up to 5 minutes.
I'll show it for you.
No.
Then show it.
I guess my sister wants me last. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so,
his is the
show
second best.
him your case. This is his case.
Yeah,
Comes with a zipper.
First, all clean.
Okay, my case is clean.
Okay.
Okay, I got my case. See?
This
got
has a little fidget spinner logo.
And the back of it has that. I got these on Amazon. Well, my dad did for about $24.
We don't know why it's that
And I got it. It's the Captain America one. Yep, you guessed it. And it goes really long.
Yeah, and
It goes to about
can,
3 to 30-something minutes. We timed it last night.
Not 30 minutes.
30-something.
30, no,
Seconds.
3
Where's the book?
seconds something.
Where's the book?
Not that one. Brooke, it's okay. We don't have to show them.
No.
It's okay. Brooke.
Okay.
They don't know what's happening. Okay, last night we timed ours, and who would go the longest, and we spin it.
He
And
wouldn't
whose
let
would
us
stop
time
first?
his. He wouldn't let us time his, so...
First, stop it first.
Yeah, mine was the last one to stop spinning. Mine lasted for about 3 minutes, 56 seconds.
Okay, already?
36 seconds.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Show
okay.
them what it is.
Now it goes really fast. And on to the next one,
Okay.
which is this one, guys. This is a pretty cool fidget spinner. Look, if you move this, it moves the gears and everything.
Yeah, but if you move the
I'm
gears,
gonna give
it
you
moves the
5
middle.
seconds to guess what the M stands for.
Okay,
5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
And if you
If you
guessed
guessed
it,
My Little Girl, you are correct.
and comment down below if you got it right, because some say it's for
Mandan.
yeah, but it's actually for
My Little Girl. Stick.
Okay,
I can already
this
smell
is it spinning.
It's not that
It
bad.
looks like a circle kind of.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
And look, guys,
Thing.
look at it.
Let's
Look
spin
at
it.
ours in our case.
And look at it, the case,
You have to open
and look at it
like that. It's the only way it's gonna not fall out, I think.
inside
There
of
we
the
go.
case.
There we go. Smooth that over a bit.
And just close it.
Look!
Ah. Okay, guys.
This is close. I didn't touch it.
We're gonna do a spin time. My fidget spinner.
Our hand, not on the ground.
I'm going.
You want me to go get my tablet to see what time yours
No.
spins?
Oh, I'm not going to do that. He's fixing his.
So mine can spin.
This is cool because it does this. I can like that. And happen. Stop it.
Mine's cool because you can't even see the end when you spin it.
Yeah,
It just looks like a little circle, see? You know what I mean?
Now, these fidget spinners are pretty cool, don't you think? And really, don't forget to comment down below what is your favorite fidget spinner.
Even if it loses, just tell us which one's your favorite.
What looks the best? And
If
comment
you
down
could-
below who do you think looks the coolest.
If you
I
think,
would think
you could,
that Herd does.
And
Herd
Hayden.
does.
if
Hayden.
you would think
Hayden.
that
Hayden, if you're watching this, you better vote for mine.
if you could
dude.
time how long our fidget spinners could go,
Alright.
you could see who's
Hold
gonna
on.
go.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do
faster.
spin time. Well,
One at a time.
okay, mine, it spins pretty good, I think. Looks like it's hypnotizing you. And if you spin the middle,
Oh my God, Andrew! Look at Andrew's. Look at his.
he
Look
can
at
spin his on top of his case. I don't think I can do that because I might scratch up mine because mine's a metal case. And has this foam in it?
Our
Metal
dad.
inside.
Little man.
tell
Little
him about
man.
daddies.
Little man.
Tell
Little
them
man.
about daddies.
Little man. It
And
looks
then-
like a captainship.
Tell them about.
Captainship.
Yeah.
Looks
Tell-
like a
Tell them about daddy's fidget spinner.
And I'm saying, like, this spin's really good. Our dad's fidget spinner can spin up to probably 10 minutes,
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Our mom, comment down below
Ice.
what the one looks like. It looks like a pirate ship. It's gray. Any other colors, you can take off the sides. And comment down below if you
I'm
find
spinning
out
on my
what
Okay, stop. Okay.
what time it spins. What's the time? And Brooke will spin hers next. Hers spins good, really heavy. If you spin it like really hard, it can pinch you, but that's okay.
If you hold them like on the
Like
top
if
and
you
the
hold it
bottom,
like this, it can pinch you.
if
when
you hold on to
spin it.
the top and the bottom, it doesn't pinch you. It
Well,
doesn't
what
have
I think
to
it
go.
spins pretty good. Circle. It looks like a circle when it spins.
Yeah, but Evan, if you watch this, don't comment. You have too many fidget spinners. You have like 100.
Yeah. You probably
Yeah.
have like all the
And
kinds
Mom,
that
if
we
you're
have.
watching this, I'll say I miss you right now, and I'm glad that I'm at my dad's. My dad's is like almost the funnest place, and I miss you and I love you. And
He has-
Daddy, if you're watching this,
He actually
this
has.
place is really cool. I love your house, our house,
He actually really has fun at his
and
mom's
thank you
house
for these
too.
fidget spinners.
He actually really has fun at his mom's house too.
Yeah, I have fun at my mom's house too. I do some fun things with my brothers. See, this thing is pretty cool. Now on to my brothers. Andrew's. Yeah.
Oh my god,
I should just set it in there.
Well, I don't know if Andrew can actually have his own channel. If he, I don't think he
he's
wants
allowed
one.
to.
I maybe. I
I
might.
don't think he wants to. What I just found out yesterday
If
is
he
that
is
you can delete your YouTube videos.
If he is allowed to, he can just like team up with Little Man, but they can both be making their own YouTube video. But that would be kind of weird, wouldn't it?
Guys, this looks like it's spinning really slow, right?
Well, it's actually
This is,
spinning
like,
really fast.
Really fast.
Mine.
Okay,
on
we're gonna
camera-
time them.
Ready? I'm
No,
gonna go
I
get
don't
my.
think we have time for that.
Hold on.
Yeah.
I tightened it a bit. I'm gonna see how long it does. I think the more. I'll just say, if this stop.
Andrew, over here, it's on radio for 15 minutes. It's 8. Oh, no. Okay, we got the time.
Dude,
We need to stop him.
what the heck?
It's
That's
okay.
weird.
Well, Andrew spins pretty good. His does. And I think hers can spin on her case. Mine can spin in my case.
Yours can
if I
spin
can
on
get
your
it.
case. Just try spinning it on your case. If it scratches, it's my fault.
Well, I need my top. Oh, here's.
If it scratches, I'll just say it's my fault because I told you to. But I'm pretty sure it won't scratch because it stays in one spot, doesn't it?
And definitely, guys, it can
so
spin
cool.
on its case.
If you can see that little red right up top.
Oh shoot. Well, guys, if you like this video, comment down below.
And please
What is your
subscribe.
favorite fidget spinner? And yes, like my sister said, please subscribe. And well,
I guess that'll be it.
God said for us to all make friends, and we are brothers and sisters. God is our only father. Well, except for other dads, but our good father, like the best father you could have. He is up top, and he is not anything from down below.
He always helps us.
Dude,
Helps
I
us
need help
with our
fixing
needs,
this.
Helps us when
Dude, I need help fixing
we need
this.
help.
You might not
Helps us in
know.
bad things.
You
that
might not
happen.
know that he helps you, but he kind of gives you ideas to go in your mind and stuff like that.
Hey, dude.
Guys, and please
know,
don't
that's-
become like some psycho person. If y'all like this video, give
thumbs
it
up.
a big thumbs up.
Big
And
fat
don't-
thumbs up.
Make sure you get Deadpool's little guns and shoot that like button, man. And I hope you like this video.